Hello, we officially have an updated way to go ahead and add your custom fonts that are not inside of Google Fonts to your funnel pages, your website, checkout pages, etc. So as you can see here, I am in a course. So I went ahead and created a course for myself that's just labeled custom font files. You can see I have a number of them in here. I didn't name all of them. That was 100% my bad. But if I come into edit, all I'm doing is literally putting the title as the name of the actual font. And then I'm going to attach the font file inside the attached files area. Once that's done and I save it, I can go ahead and preview. Now, keep that up. You're going to need it here in a minute. So I'm going to give you these font codes. It looks a little scary. Don't stress it. So all you're going to do is go ahead and copy this font code that I'm going to give you. And we will come inside of our funnel. You see, I just have some standard regular things in here right now. I'm going to go ahead and click this paintbrush. And this is from here, we can go ahead and paste in that font code. Keep that up. We're going to come back to where I had previewed the course and right click on that font file and just go ahead and copy the link address. Then we'll come back to our CSS area. So the first thing we'll do is go ahead and replace the source URL. So you have to keep these little quotation marks. They're not quotation marks. I cannot for the life of me remember what they're called. So sorry to my English teacher. I don't remember what that is. All right. We have to have those though. So make sure you have those. If you accidentally take them out, not a problem. You can delete those. You also have to have your parentheses. So we're just going to Command V and replace that whole thing. Now, one thing to note is that automatically in this code I give you, the format is going to be WOFF2. If it is a different format, such as like just a WOFF, you just want to go ahead, delete just those letters of what the format is and replace those with your format. Now we're going to come the whole way back over here and you can see this font family is incorrect. So we're going to go ahead and replace it to tanky wood. I guess that's how you say it. And then I'm going to come down here and do the exact same thing. Okay, and then this is going to be essentially how you're going to tell the system which font to use. So I don't even remember what in the world it's called. I think it's called a tag. But here I had the word seasons because that was the font I was using. You can do it as the font name. You could also do things like head, subhead, script, highlight, etc. So put in here whatever you need. You just have to have that period there before you can proceed. So then we're simply going to save, and you can see actually in here, I already had these tags kind of assigned, so it's already updating. If I come to advanced, let me delete this. You can see it goes back to that. If I type in head and hit enter, it's going to start changing these fonts. You can repeat this with pretty much as many fonts as you want. You just have to make sure that that tag you're using is different for each font so it knows which one to use. So we're going to do one more really quick. Here, let me copy that. I need to find the page. Okay, again, custom CSS. We're going to go ahead and paste it in. We will come back to these. I don't have any font files in there, which is fine. I have other font files we can add. All right. Let's add a lesson, tester. I'll do a script. Okay, attach the file. This is going to take me a minute. Business files, branding. All right, let's go ahead. We'll do Margo script. Upload. Again, same thing. Literally going to go ahead and preview. We will, and this is a different font file, so this is good to see. Just go ahead and copy the link address. I'll find my tab eventually. Replace all of this. Command V. Okay, so this is a TTF file. So I'm going to delete the WOFF2. Whoops. It has to match. So it has to be TTF, not TFF. All right. This one is Margot. I'll just leave it as Margot. This is also going to be Margot. The font style is italic. So the one thing I didn't mention, font weight, you can change this to be bold, semi-bold, etc. Font style, you can also update so that everything you put inside of this font is going to be italic. You can take that away and put normal. I'm going to leave it just so you can kind of see that example. And then instead of subheading, I'm going to use script for this and go ahead and save. So then here I'll come down, delete the body, and then type in script, enter, and you can see we now have that. That's not exactly how it's supposed to look. So I think this is actually messing it up. Normal, save. Maybe I just did the wrong file. I think I did the wrong file. So that's fine. It's not actually a script, but you can see it did go ahead and update. So all good things, easy peasy.